I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you want something fun and functional for your kids, then you have to check out this awesome modular couch from Jela. Now, this couch is so awesome, so fun, and so versatile. It comes with 14 different pieces, so the imaginary play is literally endless. My 6-year-old son loves building forts, he loves creating things, and he loves just having all of these different pieces to make whatever his imagination can come up with. But what's really great about this is it literally can be the perfect kid-sized couch too. He loves setting it up in a basic couch formation and just relaxing on it, whether he's getting on his tablet or reading a book. It gives him a really nice and comfortable space. I love that he can use this and be creative with it. There is no right or wrong way to use all of the different pieces, which allows him to create whatever comes to mind. I also really appreciated the design of this couch, down to every last detail, including the zipper. It's made of a high density foam, so it's really sturdy, but also very flexible too. The covers of each cushion come off, which make it really convenient if you have to clean it, which with kids, let's be honest, we will have to clean it. I love that it's a variety of different shapes, from squares to cylinders to half circles. It really allows the children to just explore and design with a variety of different shapes. My son loves this couch because it's fun. He can be creative and build forts and have his own little special place. I love it because it's durable, it's simple and easy to use, and he spends hours playing with it. But that's just our point of view.